9 divided by 3 divided by 9 divided by 3. How do you solve this? Do you solve it like this? 9 divided by 3 is 3, then divided by 9 divided by 3 is 3, then 3 divided by 3 is 1. Is 1 your answer? Solve it and let me know your answer in the comment section. How we solve it. Now remember in PEMDAS, we first solve parenthesis, then exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. But for multiplication division, we solve from left to right, whichever comes first. This multiplication division, they are reciprocal action, means when you divide a number 6 divided by 3, it means 6 is multiplied to 1 upon 3. So what we do, we convert division into multiplication and the number after that gets inverted. So we start solving from left to right and not just group them together and then solve it. Unless there is a bracket, we cannot solve it like this. We have to solve from left to right, and since there are no parentheses in exponent, so we start from division. Now here from left to right we have division first, so we will first deal with this division. So we will convert it into multiplication, so it will be upon 3. Then this division gets converted into multiplication, it will be upon 9, and this into multiplication, so it will be upon 3. It will be like this. Now 3 times 3 is 9. You can cancel this 3 and this 3. So answer will be 1 upon 9. There is another way of solving it. If we start solving from left to right, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then 3 divided by 9 divided by 3 we have. Then again this division we will deal. So 3 divided by 9 will be 1 upon 3. Then divided by 3. Then 1 upon 3 divided by 3 means 1 upon 3 multiplied to 1 upon 3. So it is equal to 1 upon 9. So 1 is not the correct answer. It will be 1 upon 9. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.